Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open a circle lock door. First, you need to identify the specific type of circle lock you're dealing with, as this will determine the best approach. Next, gather a few simple tools that are commonly found around the house. Understanding the basic internal mechanism of these locks will greatly assist you in the process. We'll cover everything you need to know to get that door open smoothly and efficiently, without causing any damage. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools at hand. A sturdy paper clip, straightened out, is often sufficient for many common circle locks. Alternatively, a small, thin metal rod can also do the trick. You might also find a tiny flathead screwdriver, perhaps 1/8 of an inch wide, helpful for applying tension. Good lighting is crucial, so you can clearly see what you are doing inside the lock mechanism. Now, let's get to the actual opening technique. First, insert your tension wrench into the bottom of the keyway and apply a very light, consistent rotational pressure in the direction you would turn the key to open the door. With your pick, gently feel for the pins inside the lock. You'll want to manipulate each pin until you hear or feel a small click, indicating it's set. Continue this process for all pins until the lock cylinder turns. If your lock isn't opening immediately, don't get discouraged. Sometimes, simply reversing the direction of your tension wrench can make all the difference. For sticky or stubborn locks, a small amount of graphite-based lubricant can work wonders, helping the internal components move more freely. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be patient with yourself. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep your locks well-maintained for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.